Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to change your eye color in Heartopia. So, let's dive in. First things first, keep in mind that this feature can only be unlocked once you progress through the game. So make sure you are doing your main quest and leveling up your DG or Developers Guild. Next, once you've unlocked this feature, you want to head over to the town square. So open your map, and this is where you need to go, the clothing store. So once you're inside, you want to walk toward the back of the store and go upstairs. Up here, you'll see this mirror. Go ahead and interact with it to open the menu. So in this screen, you want to click on the eyes icon. This is basically where you can change both your eye style and pupil type. Choose the eyes you like first. And to change the eyebrow color, you want to click this icon. So from here, what you can do is click on any style you want. Then tap the paint dropper icon on the left, this one right over here, and a color menu will pop up, letting you pick any eyebrow color you want. Now to change your pupil color, you want to click this icon, basically do the same thing, choose any style you want, and click this paint dropper again to change the color. Okay, oh, this is the pupil, there we go. So change it color like this. And once everything looks perfect, just click the purchase to save your changes. And basically that's it. That's how you change your eye color in Heartopia quickly and easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.